Yo, yo, back in the flesh. It's your boy, Triz Get him.
It's a crime shame, lame act like they ain't heard about a game. In the midst of this born wide frames, gotta make the money mail, cause I'm tired of fame.
With another episode of Mobile Music Production, Workshop 2. And in this video, we gonna highlight making a banger on the move in FL Studio mode. So let's get it. We're gonna do this workshop in Android, opening up FL Studio Mobile, and we're off. As you can see, this is the playlist interface with a playable keyboard at the bottom. It's adjustable, guys. So you don't have to worry about the skinny keys. And we got drum pads, darker pads. We can add more sounds, mixing board. The tab arrow that you see peeking out to the right is tucked away instruments and effects for the corresponding track that you may have selected. And that's the user interface. So let's get back to the timeline view and see what this track do. Now, we can't forget to back up the session. I prefer to save my sessions and sounds to the cloud. I use an app called P Cloud, which has cool features such as branded links like the one we're sharing this session with in the video description, and a lifetime license, which is an industry first. They also got love for musicians, which is how they caught my attention, and you can try out P Cloud for music and get 500 gigabytes free for 3 months. Check out another link in the description. And after you sign up, don't forget to add this session folder to your account. And you can follow along in our workshops at Labfreq.com and sign up so you can be notified when we add new sessions in the music production series.